and welcome to this section where we are going to learn about politeness in while forming sentences, English sentences. Okay, so we are going to learn some concepts, some techniques, and some actions that you all need to take. All right, so let's go ahead and deep dive. All right, so let's talk about some concepts. Okay. So three things that you need to know. Number one is that construction of a sentence reflects your intentions and your emotions. So whenever you are forming a sentence, it will always reflect the intention that you have for the message, or the motive, the mindset behind the message, and also it reflects the emotion. So how you form the sentences reflects these two things. Number two is that remember that when we are talking about politeness in sentence construction, we are talking about the tone essentially. Okay, so 38% of the tone of your sentence, because as I told you, the sentence construction actually reflects your emotions and your intention. So the tone part is very much there. So 38%, that's a major part, is for written and face-to-face communication. So whenever you're writing an email or chatting with someone, the tone really matters, 38%. And also when you're having a face-to-face conversation like this one, or in physically when you're sitting with someone or standing with someone, it constructs 38%. And obviously 55% of telephonic communication is the tone or the politeness or the humbleness in your voice, right? So that's why voice modulation is so important. I'm sure you must have gone through the voice modulation drills. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then please visit the voice modulation chapter in corporate communication essentials. Okay, so there's no doubt that politeness is extremely important in your English sentences. Now, there's one more thing that you need to understand, that we've got to be cautious or careful while choosing our words and how we form sentences. Okay. Now, this is why it is important for you to know. Is what I mean to tell you is that depending on what kind of your intention may be correct, your emotions may be positive. Okay, but if you do not have the awareness of using the right word at the right time, which I covered in word power, then even if the intention is there, it will reflect negatively. Even if the emotion is positive, it will reflect negatively. Okay, so it's extremely important that we are very careful about how we form our statements or sentences, especially in English. Okay, English is a very contextual language. Okay, it all depends on the context and not just the literal part of it. Literal is like whatever the word means, literally, but sometimes the same word will mean something different depending on the context or the intention, as I said, that you are using. So you can use different words in different contexts. Okay, so how do we make our sentences polite while speaking and while writing? So there are about 13 techniques which I would like you to understand. Number one is that the first thing that reflects your tone is obviously your mood, yeah, your emotional state of mind. So make sure that your emotional state of mind is good while you are communicating something important.
Are you really interested to know more about this topic? If yes, then go ahead and register for my free career growth masterclass right now. Now, in that 1 hour free career growth masterclass, I'll be explaining about 9 very important digital and soft skills which are highly in demand by the job recruiters right now, especially in the post COVID-19 job market. Now, there are millions of job seekers and the competition is really high. How do you make sure that you stay ahead of the competition? Yes, you're right, by acquiring the digital and soft skills which are in demand. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and register for the free masterclass and I'll see you at the better, brighter, and positive side of this beautiful life. This is Srimay Mahapatra. I'm an employability development specialist with a very simple mission to help 10 lakh job seekers like you get to their dream job as fast as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and take the action right now, and you can thank me later.